To analyze the data, click Analyze, select Descriptive Statistic, and then Cross-tab. Move Gender into Row. Then move Choice of Academic Major into Columns. Click Statistics, then select Pipe and Kramer V, then click Continue. Click Cells. Under Percentage, select Row and Column. Then click Continue and OK to get the result of the analysis. The results are presented in 3 tables. Let me elaborate the result. Let me enlarge the table. The first table presents the sample size, n equals 90 with no missing data. The second table is the cross-tabulation table. As can be seen, a majority of 78.3% of the male choose size measure. On contrary, majority of female, 86.7% choose art measure. Within choice of size measure, 92.2% are males and only 7.8% are female. On contrary, within choice of art measure, 2/3 or 66.7% are female and only 33.3% are male. Then we move to the symmetric measures table for Kramer V test result. The V coefficient is 0.618 and the p-value is 0.000. The result is significant. This means the research hypothesis is true and the null hypothesis is rejected. Thus, we conclude that there is a significant correlation between gender and choice of academic major in the upper secondary schools. Male students prefer science major while female students prefer art major. This is how the result of Kramer V correlation test be elaborated. In reporting the result of Kramer V test, we must report the V value and P value in a column. Here is the research report. The end of this research is to examine the correlation between gender and choice of academic major in upper secondary schools. The results show that majority of male students choose science major, 78.3%, while majority of female students choose art major, 86.7%. Within choice of science major, 92.2% are male and only 7.8% are female, while within choice of art major, 2/3 or 66.7% are female and only 33.3% are male. There is a significant correlation between gender and choice of academic major, V equal to 0.618 and P less than 0.05. Conclusion: the correlation between gender and choice of academic major is strong and positive. Male students prefer science major and female students prefer art major. This is the way of reporting the Kramer V test result. After learning the Kramer V correlation test, let's practice your SPSS data analysis skill with an exercise. In this exercise, a researcher conducts research to investigate whether there is a relationship between personality and learning motivations. By using the data CR1, SAV, analyze the data using SPSS and report the result of your analysis. To download the data for practice, click the subscribe button, and in the YouTube channel, click the video exercise for Kramer-V correlation test. Then click the link to download the SPSS data. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a nice day.